everyone, today we're gonna make Paav Bhaji. We need peas, potato, carrots, and some beetroot. And these are vegetables, like I like peas. Now I'm gonna boil all our vegetables. Right here, it's gonna be boiling. So, ask a grown-up for help from doing this. So, it started boiling right now. Ask a grown-up to help to put the butter. We're gonna saute all our vegetables. Don't put them in like that, but just cut them. Ask the grown-ups to grate all the vegetables into the pan, except the peas. And mix it well together. Mix all the vegetables well and mash it. After it's all crushed up, we're gonna add salt, pepper, and some spices. Finally, our bhaji is ready, guys. So we sprinkled it with some coriander and some butter. Next step, we're gonna toast our paav bread. This is the paav bread. Make sure to toast it very well. Our Paav Bhaji is ready and we sprinkled some little bit coriander on it. And it smells so yummy. If you also want to make it, like and subscribe and send a yummy emoji in the comments. See you in the next show. Bye bye.